Hello one and all, my name is Neha Chandran. I lived in Darbhanga. Today I'll show you a very nice person, or what to say, very happiest person. So let's go, let's meet him.
My name is Rakesh Kiran Jha.
Rakesh Kiranja. Thank you. And are you comfortable to sharing this darker side or this problem of your life?
Why not?
Thank you so much. What kind of problem you face in your life?
Actually, if God has not given me eyes to see, this is or it itself is a problem.
Very nice.
So this is the biggest problems of life.
Okay. And what kind of facility the government have provided?
Uh, Government is providing all kinds of facilities to staffs and students. We all are salary holding, and here the strength of this school is 58 blind students.
Okay.
And they all are being taught and given all the facilities like living and lodging and fooding. In addition to this, government is providing oil, soaps and dresses.
So government were all things.
Government is doing all things, but the main reason is that here there is a deficiency of teachers. Lackness of teachers is a big obstacle for the all-round development of visually impaired students. This is 1 to 10 school, and only 2 teachers are working here, so it's big obstacle.
Fortunate. So if you face any difficulty due to disability, how you solve it in your own way?
Actually, disability is a challenge. I and all the people should accept it as a challenge. And what there is no work in the world which I cannot do or which we cannot do. So I never think that this is a problem. This is nothing. But you should have a great confidence, self-confidence, and high potential. So if we have high potential, we can definitely defeat disability.
Oh my god, that's really clapping. Are there any everyday event that you avoid?
What?
Are there any everyday event that you avoid?
Yeah, I avoid purposeless activities.
Oh, okay. So you avoid purposeless activities.
Yeah, which
Very
has no
good.
meaning, I don't like.
What is the biggest pick of living with this? I don't want to say this problem or disability.
Yeah.
The way you answered me, so I don't want to say any disability. You are perfect.
Yeah, of course. Everyone is disabled, ma'am.
Yeah.
Someone is poor, someone was lame, someone is eyeless, except they have eyes but they don't have a sensitivity, emotionless. So everyone is disabled. But I am.
You are not.
I am able.
Yeah, you are able. What's the biggest challenge as participating in student and campus life?
Uh, Biggest challenge is this, that how to adjust in the society, how to communicate with the society, what are our rights, what we are not getting, and what should be our duties, and how, in which manner we are performing our duties. Every time if we think and we try to do and we succeed, this is a challenge.
So, what you view about getting education as important for people who are suffering with this?
The persons who are suffering with this kind of problem should definitely try to focus on their education, because without education they can't get honor in the society, they can't get respect in the society, and even they can't give respect in the, to the members or to the people of the society. So what we should do, what we are doing, what the government has given for facilities, what we are not getting, what should be our proper action to perform in the society, and what is discipline. At any cost, we should not disobey the rules, we should not behave indisciplined, matlab we should not have an indisciplined behavior. So definitely people who are suffering from the problem, they should definitely try to fulfill their wish, and this is only possible by education. So
I agree with
education-
this. Education is very important.
Very important.
Very important.
Without education, you cannot sit with the scholars. You cannot
And,
share your views.
There is a quotation by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Hmm.
So, शिक्षा वो सेवनी का दूध है जो पिएगा दहाड़ेगा. So I remember this line. So how do you tackle the various outlooks of society and how you want to get treated by the society?
Just my view is that society should understand that handicapped people are also the integral part of the society. They should not be discriminated. Yeah, they should not be discriminated. They should not be classified. They should get the proper respect as they are giving to others.
Yeah, obviously.
And we don't have eyes to see. And if you have, so if we will have any kind of need, and if I say to you to solve it, you should definitely try to solve it. Not with the sympathy, but yeah, ये भी समाज के अंग है, उनकी समस्या का भी समाधान होना चाहिए. Like this, we expect from the society that they should understand that VI people or any kind of disabled people are also the valuable part of it.
Basically, and yeah, sympathy.
I don't
hurts
like.
more.
I don't like.
Oh yeah, sympathy hurts more than slap.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my thought. Also.
क्योंकि अगर कोई मान लीजिए रास्ते में गिर गया और फंस पड़ रहा हूँ, व्हाट इज दिस? आपके ये करने से उसका दर्द कम नहीं हो रहा सर, उसको दवा चाहिए.
What is the source of your motivation? This question is for you. What is the source of your motivation?
I am always being motivated and inspired by Lord Krishna.
Okay, Lord Krishna.
Yeah.
What's your future plan?
My future plan is to do a lot, whatever I can do. I want to do a lot for VI people, VI students, orphan students, and poor students. Still, I'm trying to do, and I will do one.
Wow, we have to learn it from you. As we know that you are a brave and now you are motivating many. What change you can see in the behavior of the people and society towards you before and after? So before, not before because you are by birth. So after?
After, I think that society should understand that no one is perfect in the world.
Yeah.
Just I created a poem which I want to hear you. Please give me 1 minute time.
Yeah, sure.
The line is, in fact, love is a sacred emotion. Actually, it is a hard devotion. No one has its clear conception, hence it is difficult to get perfection. Love itself is very much serious. To know its mystery is very precarious. If we keep it safe and sound, we will progress by leaps and bounds. If we are in it completely profound, love is that temple where God is found. I have created these lines which I have heard you. So what? My view is that each and every person requires love. Each and every person requires affection. Love doesn't see that I should go with the people of disability or not. I should go with the able people or not. Love itself is a purity. Love is a thought. So every people of the society should try to just accept this thought that everyone requires. जैसे सबको आवश्यकता है वैसे हमें भी है. So I think that society should think that we should behave properly as we are behaving with others.
With others, yeah. So how do you progress your work after this tragedy happened with you?
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened, yeah, nothing happened. This question is not for you.
No.
Sorry, my tell me something about your daily routine.
अब मैम मुझे एक बात बताइए, आपके पास आंखें हैं, आप देख रही हैं कि आसमान में सूरज चमक रहा है, और जिसने कभी देखा ही नहीं उसको समस्या क्या है?
So, yeah.
देखिए नहीं भी अच्छा लगा तो तारीफ कर दीजिए, क्योंकि वो तो उत्साह बढ़ाना तो बनता है. आपकी
अरे
जिम्मेदारी
बहुत
है.
अच्छा लगा. So, can you share a little about your growing years? What were your career aspirations?
ma'am.
Can you share your little about your growing up years? What were your career inspirations?
Actually, ma'am, my education is very well. Like my education stayed in Pendulum, you know.
Oh my god.
So
So what
first
are you
of
doing
all,
here?
yeah, first of all, I got admitted in Banaras,
Oh.
Durga Kund.
Acha, Durga Kund.
Yes, I got a lot of inspirations from a lot of teachers over there, and I learnt a lot from a music teacher, Mr. Surya Kumar Dikshit, uh, and I got the proper training of English speaking and skill development over there. After that, I went back to Delhi.
Okay.
Okay, and there I studied in Lajpat Nagar, Amar Colony, blind school. I passed my 5 years at least there, and after that I came here in Darbhanga. Okay, and since my childhood I have been interested in the Gita.
Okay.
Okay, and when I was of 5 years old only, I got how to play the harmonium automatically. Nobody guided me actually, and I know how to play the flute. I know how to sing.
Wow.
Okay, so
Sing a song.
God is definitely very much kind to me, and by the energy of Lord Krishna, I am staying alive. I can't be defeated by anyone with my because of my disability.
Wow. So my next question is, what positive initiative do you hope to see in India that's all tackle the issue, this type of issue?
Actually, ma'am, at first the government should be positive, because only making only making the rules cannot develop the disabled people. What rules you are making, what rules you are creating in the Constitution of India, you have to see how much with how much sincerity these rules are being implemented in India. For an example, blinds are allowed to have ATM and bank checkbook facility. This is a rule, and I already have a circular. But whenever you will visit the branch, they will say that how will you operate the ATM? How will you handle the checkbook? They don't want to read out the circulars, they don't want to read out rules, but they want to create hindrances, they want to create obstructions. So government's effort should be that what rules are being amended in the constitution, those rules should be implemented strictly in each and everywhere. And that should be published in newspaper that such kind of rule has come, so that disabled people will not have to face any kind of problem.
I want to say that a person who's accepted in banks, they are
तो सरकार को पॉजिटिव होना पड़ेगा, और साथ में डिसेबल पीपल को भी पॉजिटिव होना पड़ेगा कि उनको क्या मिल रहा है और क्या नहीं मिल रहा है,
so
जो नहीं
informative.
हाँ, और जो नहीं मिल रहा है वो क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है. कहीं ना कहीं हम तो जिम्मेदार नहीं है, क्योंकि हम डिसेबल भी कहीं ना कहीं जिम्मेदार हैं.
You are not disabled.
I am not disabled, but here I am talking to you communally.
Okay.
Personally, I am not disabled.
Yeah.
I will not realize that I am disabled. क्योंकि आप एक बात बताइए, मैं उसको आपको और तरीके से समझाता हूँ. आप आँख वाले हैं, है ना?
Yeah.
आप नींद में हैं, आपके पलंग पे सांप चढ़ गया, और आपको कोई बताने वाला नहीं है कि तुम पैर को सीधा कर लो, सांप काट लेगा, तो क्या आपको काटेगा कि नहीं? तो आपको सहायता की जरूरत पड़ी कि नहीं? तो आप वहाँ पे डिसेबल हुए कि नहीं?
That's why I'm not considering you disabled.
क्योंकि हर आदमी कमजोर है मैम. किसी की कमजोरी दिखती है और किसी की कमजोरी अंदर की रहती है. कोई इंटरनली डिसेबल है, कोई एक्सटर्नली.
So my next question is it a natural disability or happened due to any accident?
No, it's natural.
Do you feel the lacking of proper and moral ethics and education is the main reason for these incidents?
No, never.
Do you want to give any message to youth? If yes, what would be the message?
Yes, I want to give message to you that they should not forget the glory of India. They should not forget the thoughts of India. They should not forget the culture of India. If we keep our culture in the mind, we will never discriminate with others. The definition of culture is that complex whole which includes knowledge, love, belief, art, moral, any other capabilities or habits acquired by man as a member of society. This definition has been given by Lasky. So definitely all youth should try to enshrine this type of definition, and they should come forward and fight with us, struggle with us.
So, next question. Are your family
Yeah.
supported you? Your family?
Yeah, my family supported me. My father was also blind, my mother is blind, my sister is blind, even my wife is also blind. But we are enjoying our life.
This pandemic has affected everybody like in drastic way. What effect it had on your life?
No, oh, ma'am, actually, this is a boon of God. You know, because we don't have eyes and we are not watching the world, because this world is not able to be watched. What we can see, those things are only made of feelings. Like we are getting the direct benefit from air, and air cannot be seen. We are directly getting benefit from the sky can't be seen. We are directly motivated by emotions cannot be seen. Love is a great message of God that cannot be seen, that is only a subject to be felt, and all the things given by God we are feeling, enjoy, no need of watching.
And what are the challenges your family faced?
My family didn't face any challenge. When my mother got married, my father was also sightless. So my mother had to struggle a lot. She was cooking herself. She was just caring us herself. What problem they were facing, I can't describe it on words. But I am not facing any kind of problem. It's my personal thing. I am not facing.
That's all. Thank you so much. Now it's feedback time. World is not for you, so don't take it granted. World is going to be kind and cruel to everyone, and that's how it should be.